been working hard on the next one-time tool, the bevel squares and angle reference plate. So let's take a look at the state-of-the-art manufacturing process that separates our tools from the rest. First, the bevel square blades are laser cut out of stainless steel by this high-intensity laser. While most tool makers skip this step, we take the extra time to precision mill the blades for a super accurate edge. Next, we mill the aircraft-grade aluminum bodies and quality check each one. At another CNC mill, the reference plates are machined out of aluminum as well. Then both the bodies and the reference plates are anodized with our signature red. They take some time to engrave, but that's necessary to ensure dead-on accuracy. Lastly, the bevel squares are individually assembled by hand, then packaged for shipment. We're proud to manufacture our tools with care in the USA, and we want to keep you up to date with what we're working on, so stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes action.